Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, we're going to multiply 3x squared plus 2x plus 9 by x squared minus 3x plus 9. And for convenience, I've already created this table here. We're going to use it to help us multiply. So we'll put each of our terms, so 3x squared here, 2x here, 9 here, and then on the side we'll put x squared minus 3x and 9. And then when each term meets the other term, we'll multiply those together. So first off, 3x squared times x squared is 3x to the fourth power. X squared times 2x is 2x cubed. X squared times 9 is 9x squared. 3x squared times minus 3x is minus 9x cubed. Negative 3x times 2x is minus 6x squared. Minus 3x times 9 is minus 27x. Three x squared times 9 is 27x squared. 9 times 2x is 18x. And 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, so now that I've multiplied all the terms out, we can combine our like terms. So let's move this up a little bit. So we have 3x to the fourth power. And as we go, we can cross each of these out. So we use that one, so let's cross it out. Next up, we have 2x cubed plus negative 9x cubed. That's going to be a minus 7x cubed. Okay, and we can cross those out. Okay, then we have 9x squared plus negative 6x squared plus 27x squared. Well, 9x squared plus negative 6x squared is a positive 3x squared. Add that to 27x squared and we get plus 30x squared. Okay, and we can cross each of those out because we've used them. Okay, next up we have negative 27x plus 18x. That's going to give us a negative 9x. And we can cross out those two. And then we have the plus 81 there left. And we can cross this out. Now we've crossed everything out above here, so we know we've multiplied this correctly. So this here is our solution. 3x to the fourth minus 7x cubed plus 30x squared minus 9x plus 81. Okay, let's try one more to make sure we know what we're doing. So I'm going to scroll on down to problem 2 here. And in this one, we're multiplying 3x cubed plus 2x minus 1 times x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x. Okay, so I'm going to write 3x cubed here, then 2x. We have our minus 1 here. On the side, we have x cubed plus 4x squared. And then minus 2x. All right, so where the terms meet, we'll multiply together. So we have 3x cubed times x cubed. That's 3x to the sixth power. Then we do x cubed times 2x. That's 2x to the fourth power. And then x cubed times negative 1 is minus x cubed. Okay, then we do 3x cubed times 4x squared. That's 12x to the 5th power. Then 4x squared times 2x, that's 8x cubed. Then 4x squared times minus 1, that's minus 4x squared. Then we do 3x cubed times negative 2x, that's negative 6x to the, oops, click on that, negative 6x to the 4th power. Then we do negative 2x times 2x, that's negative 4x squared. Let me fix that. And then we do negative 2x times negative 1, that's positive 2x. Okay, so now we've multiplied these all out, so we just need to combine our like terms. So we start with 3x to the 6th. There's nothing like that, so I'm just going to write 3x to the 6th down here. And I'm going to cross off as we go. And then we have 2x to the 4th, but we actually have an x to the 5th here. I have nothing like x to the 5th, or 12x to the 5th, so I'm just going to bring it down, right, plus 12x to the 5th. And we cross these off as we go. Okay, now we look for x to the 4th. I have a 2x to the 4th here and a minus 6x to the 4th there. So if I combine 2x to the 4th and minus 6x to the 4th, I get minus 4x to the 4th. Okay, and we want to cross off this one and this one. Next up, we have x cubed. So we have a negative x cubed here and a positive 8x cubed here. Those are going to add to plus 7x cubed. And we'll cross that off. Okay, next up, we have a negative 4x squared plus another negative 4x squared. That's going to add to negative 8x squared. And we'll cross those off. And then finally we have a 2x to finish it up, so plus 2x. And we'll cross that out. Okay, we've crossed everything out, so we know that this here is our solution. So we got 3x to the 6th plus 12x to the 5th minus 4x to the 4th plus 7x cubed minus 8x squared plus 2x. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.